folks, this is Lee Murphy of artbyleemurphy.com, and the artist and creator of everything else, not quite painting and drawing, but still creative on this channel. And this, forgive the weird setup here, is an example of what you can do with an inexpensive, right here. I took a picture of it before I worked on it, and that's about the only thing I saved right there, was of a simple $20 soprano ukulele kit. And here is the end results right here. It looks a little bit different here because I started with simple veneers, learned how to glue it on. This is all my extra spare stuff right there from other projects. A walnut veneer, and then although I do know how to do inlay work, this is stuff called aballam. It's an onlay, basically. You cut it out very, very careful because it's brittle. It's actual seashell laminated together and carefully applied. And these little decorative elements, like right here, and here, and here, and another thicker part of abalone on there, just because I happen to have it. And then gush it all down with a can of simple gloss polyurethane. I'm not going to endorse the brand. You can find whatever works for you. But you don't just have to paint it up or glue it up or anything like that. If you want something a little bit more classical looking, then it's an option. And this seemed to turn out fairly well, so if I do say so for myself. And then of course, if you can see in there is a little sign on marbleized paper that says Musicam Sanat. Now hopefully my Latin translation says music heals, because how fun is this? Yeah, well, it won't hold a tune yet because the strings are still stretching. Anyhow, hopefully that might provide you some inspiration to work on your own little project. And as always, hashtag don't settle for an off-the-shelf life. Just because there's something out there in the world that you think is a neat idea and you don't see it for sale, well, this is your chance to figure out a way to do it and make it for yourself and have something that is uniquely your own. And hopefully this is inspirational, and thank you for listening.